Every business, at some point in time, is faced with a space challenge. You've outgrown your facility. You feel overcrowded and inefficient. You need to expand. While growth is a good sign that your business is doing well, you still need to find a fast and cost-effective way to solve your space problem. You've thought about moving and new construction, but the expense is huge, and the downtime will only put you further behind. Meanwhile, you have customers waiting, orders to fill, and employees who need a place to work. How will you meet all of these demands? There's a much better solution, one that is faster, more economical, and more effective than relocation or expansion. Install a Kogan mezzanine and instantly double your floor space without moving an inch or laying a single brick. Most commercial buildings feature high ceilings that can easily accommodate a second floor. That's a lot of wasted space. By adding an intermediate level between the floor and ceiling of your existing facility, a mezzanine makes use of the valuable vertical space that is so often overlooked. Faster than you ever imagined possible, Kogan can build an industrial-strength mezzanine to your exact specifications. We work around all existing equipment and other obstructions, so activity beneath the mezzanine can continue without disruption. Furthermore, a Kogan mezzanine can be disassembled and moved at any time to adapt to your changing needs. Since a mezzanine does not extend across the full area of your building, it also shares the same ceiling as the space below. This allows you to keep using your current heating and cooling system. Not only will you save on additional energy costs, but limiting resource consumption promotes a greener and more sustainable work environment. And don't think mezzanines are for warehouse storage only. We've been in business since 1901, and there is no project we haven't seen. Use a Kogan mezzanine to create additional space for an in-plant office, additional exercise equipment in your fitness center, extra seating in your restaurant, an observation platform in a museum, a multi-level trampoline or laser tag park, display aisles in your retail store, a backstage area for your theater company, or a storage area in your distribution center. The possibilities are endless. No matter your industry, a Kogan mezzanine is guaranteed to boost efficiency, increase productivity, and ultimately save you money. With turnkey service across North America, we can provide a quality space management solution wherever your needs may be. Every Kogan mezzanine is backed by our limited lifetime structural warranty. Contact us today for a free estimate